Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel and Radha online classes. Please subscribe my channel and share as much as it is possible for you. Okay, today I'm going to take class 7th and the chapter we are going to do is data handling. As we have already done, it's 2-3 classes we have done, 3.1 exercise also we have completed. Today I will tell you exercise 3.2 जो कि बेस्ड है मोड एंड मीडियन के ऊपर. यस, मोड एंड मीडियन बेस्ड एक्सरसाइज है ये 3.2. तो देखते हैं इसको कैसे करना है. जस्ट कीप इन माइंड द फॉर्मूलाज. मोड क्या होता है? मोड इज द ट्रेंड, मतलब मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंटली कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है. ओके, व्हाट इज इन फैशन, व्हाट इज इन ट्रेंड. सपोज वी आर हैविंग दिस मच डाटा. ठीक है, ये हमारे डाटाज है, ये हमारे नंबर्स हैं. अब कौन सा नंबर सबसे ज्यादा टाइम्स आएगा, दैट इज द मोड ऑफ दैट डेटा. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज मीडियन. मीडियन in your book they have given only the middle value. Firstly just arrange it the numbers in ascending या फिर descending order में. किसी भी ऑर्डर में हम उसको अरेंज कर सकते हैं. हम चाहे तो उसको असेंडिंग में करें, चाहे तो डिसेंडिंग में करें. उसके बाद जस्ट काउंट द नंबर्स और उसको हाफ मिडिल में कौन सा नंबर आता है, दैट नंबर इज द मीडियन. मीडियन मीन्स मिडिल वैल्यू. राइट, लेट्स सी एंड अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज द स्कोर इन मैथ्स टेस्ट आउट ऑफ 25. मैथ्स का जो टेस्ट हुआ है, द टेस्ट इज आउट ऑफ 25 मार्क्स ऑफ 15 स्टूडेंट. 15 स्टूडेंट्स हैव गिवन द टेस्ट. उनके मार्क्स यहां लिखे हुए हैं इज एज फॉलोज. लेट्स सी 19, 25, 23, 29, then 20, then 15, then 10, then 5, then 16, 25, then 20, then 24, 12 and 20. So these are the marks of 15 students. Let's see what you have to do. Find mode and median. You have to find mode as well as median. And one more question they have asked. Are they same? Let's see. Firstly, arrange in. You have to do the solution in this way. Firstly, we are going to arrange this data in ascending or descending order. हमें इसको arrange करना है. Let's arrange it in ascending and descending order. So, this is. So children, here let's see the minimum marks. देखते हैं minimum क्या है. 19, then after 9 ये हमें दिख रहा है. उसके बाद ये 10 है कम. Then this 12. Okay, right. So minimum marks is 9. तो सबसे पहले हम ascending में सबसे छोटा नंबर लिखेंगे 9. Okay, after 9 is what? 10 marks. 10 marks आ गया. Okay, after that see 10 के बाद no, one more number is there. That is 5. Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel and Radha online classes. Today I am going to take class 7th and the chapter we are doing is data handling. Data handling में आज हम लोग करेंगे exercise 3.2 and this exercise is totally based on mode and median. Okay, so let's start with the question number 1. Now firstly you should know what is mode and what is median. Mode क्या होता है? What is frequently occurred means the number which frequently occurs, yeah, the number which is having the highest frequency. Okay, then the next is median. Median क्या होता है? Median is the middle value of the data. अब middle value हम कैसे find out करेंगे? तो हमें पहले उस डेटा को अरेंज करना पड़ेगा इन ascending order या फिर इन descending order. हम उसको सबसे पहले अरेंज करेंगे. अरेंज करने के बाद देखेंगे which is the middle value. अब middle value कैसे find out करोगे? That is, you just count that all. For that, I have given you formula also, that is n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, this formula you will use, but it is for odd numbers. Okay, लेकिन अगर even number आ गया, by chance the data is even, तो उसके लिए अलग formula होता है. Let's see this with the help of question. Question करते हैं, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Let's start doing question number 1. The score in maths test out of 25 of 15 student is as follows. Marks is given out of 25 marks. Out of 25 marks and the marks is of 15 students. How many students have given the test? 15 student का class test हुआ है. Okay, these are the marks given. Now you have to find out the mode and the median. और एक और question है इसमें, are आर दे सेम, क्या वो सेम है? लेट्स सी. अरेंज, सबसे पहला जो हमारा स्टेप होगा, फर्स्ट स्टेप वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू अरेंज दिस ऑल द डेटा इन द असेंडिंग या फिर डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. हम लोग इसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज कर लेते हैं. लेट्स अरेंज इट. देख लेते हैं. सबसे लीस्ट वैल्यू जो हमें दिखाई दे रही है, दिस इज 5. सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर 5. उसके बाद देखो कौन सी वैल्यू दिखाई दे रही है, दैट इज 5 के बाद 1 डिजिट है कि ये 9 आ रहा है. सो राइट डाउन 9. 9 के बाद देखो 10 है. यस, 10 इज देयर. ओके, देन आफ्टर सी 11 इज देयर. 11. No. Then see 12. Yes, 12 is there. Then after see 12. How many times? That also you have to see. 12 is okay. Then after come to next, that is 13. 13 नहीं है किसी का भी. Then after 14 देखते हैं. 14 भी नहीं दिख रहा है. Okay, now 15. Yes, it is given. 10 हो गया हमारा, 15 हो गया हमारा. What we have done, just circle it. First 5 we have done, 9 we have done, then 10 we have done. 10 is where it is 10. 10 we have done. Then 12 we have done. 15 we have done. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 numbers we have done. Okay, let's come to the next. 15 के बाद देखेंगे कौन सा है. 16. Yes, it is given 16. So I have written here 16. Then after see 17 is not there. Then 18 is not there. 19 is there. So write 19 after this. 19. Then after see 19 one time only. 20. Yes, 20 is there. तो 20 देखो कितने बच्चों के हैं. एक ये 1 और ये 2 और ये 3 and one more 4. So 21, then 2, but second, then 3 and 4 बच्चों के 20 मार्क्स है. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, right. After 20 21 मार्क्स देखो किसी के हैं. No. Then 22 भी नहीं है. 23 is of one student. Then 24 marks. Yes, it is also of one student. Let it try 24. Then after 25 and 25, two students are having what? 25. Right? 25 and 25. Let's count it. We have written all or not? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Yes, we have written all. Now see, what is asked? What is asked is the mode. So, what is the mode? See children, they have asked mode. Mode अभी मैंने आपको बताया. What is mode? Mode is number which is having the highest frequency. तो देखते हैं सबसे ज्यादा कौन सा नंबर आया. 20 and 20. 4 times 20 is given and 25 is 2 times. So which occurs maximum is 20 marks. So mode is 20 marks as it occurs maximum, या फिर आप लिख सकते हो 4 times. It is of 4. It is the marks of 4 students have got how much marks? 20 marks, right? Now let's come to the median. So 20 is our mode. Let's come to median. Median का एक formula है. What is that? That is n plus 1 upon 2th item. Right children? N plus 1 upon 2th item. We need not this data. So I'm just rubbing this. Okay? Let's come to this. Now what is n? n क्या होता है? Number of students. Number of students या number of that observation, right? Number of observation हमारी total कितनी है? Number of students हमारे कितने थे? n is equal to 15. Right? We have counted this. It is of 15 students. So n is 15. So 15 plus 1 upon 2th item, th item. Right? So this is equal to 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 upon 2, that is 2 8s are 16. So 8th item. Now 8th item children, 8th item हम अब देखेंगे अपने इसमें ascending order में जो हमने arrange किया हुआ है. we have to take what? Eighth item. Let's see from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is what? 20. Eighth item is 20. So our median is what? 20. Now that second question they have asked, are they same? Yes, they are same. Yes. Answer is yes. Mode and median are same. Let's come to the next question, that is question number 2. Children, here is your second question. Second question is the runs scored in cricket match by 11 players. How many players are there? 11 players. Is as follows. Okay, means N is what? 11 players. Just keep in mind this. Runs कितने score किए? 6. First player 6, then 15 like this. 11 players have scored these many runs. Find mean, mode and median. All the three central tendencies they have to find. Okay, now see mean कैसे find out करेंगे? That is sum of all observation divided by number of observation. Right? तो हम सबसे पहले sum of observation means sum of all the runs scored by 11 players लिख लेते हैं. That is, और ये नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन हमारा n इज इक्वल टू कितना आ जाएगा? दैट इज 11. राइट? नंबर ऑफ, और ये क्या होगा? सम ऑफ ऑल रन्स. सम ऑफ ऑल रन्स. राइट? लेट्स डू इट. 6 प्लस 15 प्लस 120 प्लस 50 प्लस 100 प्लस 80 प्लस 10 प्लस 15 प्लस 8 plus 10 plus 15 divided by how many players are there? 11 players, right? Now just find out the answer. See, you just add up all. 6 unit place देख लेते हैं. 6, 5, 11, 11, 11, 11, then 11 and 5, 16, 16 and 8, 16, 20, 24, 24 and 5 is 29. 29 के 9 अब आते हैं हम लोग टेंस प्लेस पे. टेंस प्लेस पे आते हैं 29 के 9 2 कैरेक्टर. 2, 3, 4, not 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 5, 10, 10, 10, 10 and 8, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 के 2 अगेन 2 कैरी. तो 100 प्लेस पे देख लेते हैं क्या है. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 29 upon 11. Right? So just divide it. कितना आ जाएगा? 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33. 33 42 में से 33 लेस करोगे you will get 9. 99 बचेगा कितना? 9. तो ये 99 हो गया. 11 कितने सा? 11 9s are 99. So what is our answer? Our answer is 39. So what is the mean? Mean is how much? 39 run is the mean score. Okay. Let's come to its B part. That is mean हम लोगों ने निकाल लिया. Mode देखते हैं. Mode क्या होता है? See children, mode is what? Most frequently occur. The number which occur most of the times. Okay, see. 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, then 80, then इसको सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना होता है? Just arrange it. Arrange it in ascending order. Arrange in ascending या descending order. हम लोग इसको ascending order में arrange कर लेते हैं, right? So arrange it. सबसे lowest number क्या है? It is 6. So write down 6. Then see, then is 15. Now, then is 10. 10. इसके बाद देखो ये 15 है. 15 कितने बार आया? 1. This is 2. This is 3. Yes, between this is 8 also. So write 8. Then after 10. Just round up. 6 हमने लिख लिया. 8 लिख लिया. Then 10. 10 is 2 times. 1 and 2. 10 is 2 times. Write 10 2 times. Then after see 10 भी हो गया. Then 15. 15. Yes, 15. 15 1. Then 2 and 3 times, 2 and 3 times, right? Then after 15 के बाद देखेंगे, 15 के बाद सीधा है 50 mark, 50 runs. This is 50, one time only. Okay. Let's come to the next, that is 80. Okay. Then after see 80 को भी हम circle कर लेते हैं. Then after 100 is there, so 100 को भी circle कर लेते हैं and write down 100. And after that is 120, so write down 120. Okay, that means we have written all. Let's count. 11 होना चाहिए. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So 11 players के ये score है. Okay. What we have to do? We have to find the mode. Mode is what? सबसे ज्यादा frequency किस की है? See, 10 कितने times आया है? 2 times. 15 कितने times है? See, 3 times. And these two number occur the most. लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा किसकी frequency है? 3. ये 3 times आया. That means 15 is having highest frequency. Is having highest frequency. So it is having highest frequency. Therefore 15 is the mode. Mode is equal to, or write down mode equals to 15. Right? हमारा मीन कितना है? मीन है हमारा 39. मोड हम लिख लेते हैं. मोड इज इक्वल टू 15. ओके. लेट्स कम टू मीडियन नाउ. मीडियन कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? लेट्स सी. See children, median is what? N plus 1 upon 2th item. Right? Now, as we are having n हमने कितना लिखा हुआ है? N is equal to, count the numbers. How many players are there? N is 11. So write down here 11 plus 1 upon 2. That is 12 upon 2. That is equal to 6. Okay, sixth item. Sixth item. Let's count from the very beginning. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sixth item क्या है? 15. So 15 is our median. So our median is equal to what? Your sixth item. Median is sixth item. That is equal to how much? 15. Yes, your mid value is what? 15. So in this way, children, you have to do the questions. I think it is clear to you. Let's come to the next. See children, here is your third question. The question is, the weight, that is in kgs, of 15 students in a class is how much? 38, 42. These are the weight of 15 students. So what is our n? N क्या है हमारा? N is equal to कितना? 15. Right? Next, the question is what? Find the mode and the median. Mode and median. And the next you have to find out, is there more than one mode? ये क्या इसमें एक से ज्यादा मोड है? हो सकता है, देखते हैं. Let's see. Firstly, what you have to do in finding out mode and median. सबसे पहले हमें उसको अरेंज करना चाहिए. Arrange that in ascending or descending order. हमने इसको ascending order में अरेंज करेंगे. Okay, let's see. N. N means what? What is the number of observation? So this is what? 15. So I have written here n equals to 15. So firstly, what we have to find out the mode. Okay, find out the mode. Mode निकालने के लिए पहले तो अरेंज कर लें हम इसको. See the smallest number, smallest weight is C. 38, 35, 37, 30 वाले हम अंडरलाइन कर लेते हैं ताकि हमें क्लियर हो जाए. Okay, this. Okay. Let's see now. 38, 35, 37, 32, 32, 36, 38, 38. Okay, the 32 is the least. So I have written 32 first. और एक ही बार आया, I'm just circle it. Okay. Then 32 के बाद आता है 35. So I am writing here 35. How many times it is? It is also one time only. Okay. Then after see 36, right? Okay, after that is 38. 38 is 2 times. 2 times nahi, 1, 2 and 3 times 38. So right, 38 and 38. Okay, तो 3 times we have written 38. अब आते हैं हम लोग 40s की लाइन में. 42, then after 45 is given, then 43 is given, 43 is given, 40 is given, 43 is given, 47. Okay, let's take the number 40 first. 40 कितने times है? 1 time only. Okay, then after see 41 नहीं था, 42 is there, so write 42. Okay, then after see 42 के बाद हम लोग देख लेते हैं 37 we haven't written. 37 is also there. 37 is missed, तो हम यहाँ पे इसको 36 then 37 कर लें. This missed, we have missed this. Okay, now it is clear. अब 40, 42 पे थे हम लोग. 42 ये रहा, इसके बाद 42 नहीं है. Take 43, 1, then 2 and then 3 times 40. 43, then 43 again, then 43 one more time. 3 times 43 is there. Okay, after that is 45, then after 47 is there, and then after 50 is there. Okay children, 45 भी हो गया, 50 भी हो गया and 47 भी हो गया. We have done all. Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we are having 15. Yes, all we have entered here. Now, what is the formula for mode? Mode क्या होता है? Mode is which is the most frequent number, right? अब देखते हैं सबसे ज्यादा टाइम्स कौन सा नंबर आया है. Let's see. 32, 35, 36, 37 ये तो 1 टाइम आया. 38 को ले लेते हैं. It comes 3 times. 1, 2 and 3 times. Okay. Then 40, 42, 43. 43 ये 2 times and 1 time. That means it is also 3 times, right? यानी कि 38 and 43 it came 3 times. That means 38 and दोनों ही मोड होंगे and 43 are modes. ठीक है, ये हमारा मोड है इस डाटा का. आर मोड both. The question, next question they have asked in the second one, is there more than one mode? Yes. Second part का हम आंसर लिख सकते हैं. What is the answer of this? Yes. So firstly तो we have to find out the median. तो median पहले find out करते हैं, फिर इसका आंसर हम लोग करेंगे. See children, we have to find out the median also. तो median का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? n plus 1 upon 2th item. n plus 1 upon 2th item. Right? N is equal to n. We have taken how much? 15. Number of these are number of students के वो है ना that weight. So number of student is 15. So what is our answer? Let's check it. N कितना है? 15 है. 15 plus 1 upon 2. This is equal to 16. This is equal to 16 upon 2. I am writing over here only. 16 upon 2. 2 8 is 16. This is 8th item, right? 8th item. अब देखते हैं हम 8th item है क्या. Let's see. 8th item. 8th item is the median. 1. Just count from here. The very beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes. 8th item is what? 8th item is your median is equal to 8th item हमारा क्या है? 40. So median is what? 40. So children, in this way you have to do question number 3. One more part is left. Is there more than one mode? So what is our answer? Our answer is yes. Our answer is yes. Yes, we are having second part का आंसर हम लोग लिख लेते हैं. Yes, we have more than one mode. That is 30 क्या था 38 ना 38 3 times था. That is 38 and 43. Two modes we are having. Okay, let's come to the next question. Question number 4. See children, here is your fourth question. Find the mode and median of this data. That is 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12 and these many. Okay. So what is our n? Firstly write down that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 है हमारे पास. Okay. Let's start with the very least number. The least number is what? 1. This 12 ही दिखाई दे रहा है तो हम लोग लिख लेते हैं इसको. This I'm just keeping in bracket 12. Then after C 12 कितने times आया? ये रहा 1 and this one is 2 times. Okay, so write down 12. Okay. Then after C 13 is given. So 13 हम देख लेते हैं और yes, one more time 13 is there. So I'm writing 13 and 13, right? Then after say 14, 1, 2 and 3 times 14 is given. So I'm writing 14 and 14, right? Now what is left? See 16 and 19 is left. I'm writing 16 one time and 19 one time. So we have completed all. Just count it कि 9 है या नहीं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, we are having 9 numbers here. So we have. See children, now you have to find out what mode. Mode क्या होता है? Most frequent number. Now which is the most frequent number in the data? Let's see. 12 कितने times है? 2 times. 13 2 times. And 14 we are having 3 times. That means which is the frequent number? This is 14. So 14 is the mode. Let's come to the next, median. Median क्या होगा? Median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th item. Right? Means number. That is n plus 1. कितना था हमारा n? n is 9. So 9 plus 1 upon 2th item. That is equal to 10 upon 2. Cut करेंगे. We will get 5. यानी कि 5th item. So just count 5th item. 5th item is the median. 5th item is equal to, just count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is our median? That is 14. So you can see 14 is mode and median both. So it is clear to you. ये formula आपको mind में रखना है. n plus 1 upon 2th item and from the ascending order हमने जो arrange किया है, from there you have to count the 5th item. The 5th item is what? 14. So 14 is the median. So in this way you have to do the questions of mode and median. आते हैं हम लोग 5th question पे. Let's come to 5th question. See children, here is your question number 5. Tell whether the statement is true or false. So let's come to the first one. The mode is always one of the number in the data. Is always one of the numbers in the data. Yes. मोड क्या? जो हमारे पास डाटा रहते हैं, जो नंबर्स रहते हैं, उसी में से एक होता है मोड. राइट? यस, इट इज ट्रू. क्योंकि एक नंबर जो मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंटली आया वही तो मोड होगा. अब कौन सा नंबर? वो डाटा में प्रेजेंट होगा. यस. देन द मीन इज वन ऑफ द नंबर इन द डाटा. मीन क्या? उसी डाटा में आता है. एवरेज कई बार पॉइंट्स में आ जाता है. दैट इज नॉट इन दैट given data. So it is what? It is false. Let's come to the third, median. Median is one of the number in the data. Median क्या होता है? Mid value in the data. We are arranging that and finding out the middle value. Middle value मतलब उसी नंबर में, जैसे 5th item, 6th item, तो हमने अरेंज किया तो वही डाटा में से ही तो हम मीडियन को निकालेंगे. Yes, it is true. This is also true. Let's come to the next. They have asked the data this has mean 9. तो इसके लिए तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. जस्ट फाइंड आउट ओवर हियर. आई एम जस्ट एडिंग अप ऑल. 6 plus 4 कितना होता है? सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन हमें करना है. लेट्स फाइंड आउट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 है तो डिवाइडेड बाय 8 करेंगे. जस्ट एड अप ऑल. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 7 कितना होता है? 20. 21 हो गया. प्लस 9 30 हो गया. 30. 32, 42, 45, 45, 55, 55 और 9, 55 and 9 is 60, 63, 60, 45 and 9, 64. So 8, kitne za? 8, 8 za 64. So what is our mean? Mean is 8. What they have given? They have given 9. So this is what? False. So here we have got the answer false. So in this way children we have completed our exercise 3.2. उम्मीद है आपको समझ में आया होगा. And if you like this video, please just write that in comment as well as subscribe and share my channel to maximum students, your friends as well as your relatives. Thank you and have a nice day. मिलते हैं अपनी next video.